Guys, welcome back to my channel RSK Training and continuing the date series of videos. I present to you the second video of the date series, which would be incrementing months. Let's see how we do it. Let me take a small example. Say I have employee ID 123, 234, and say 345. Now I have here 1/1/2024. Let me format it to months, and I would drag it till whatever you want till December. Let us do it till December. Now I have some random attendance over here for the month. So let me take it 15 to 20, and say I need to submit a report to my management, wherein I have to give the 6 months rolling data. So, for example, I have to give you for the attendance for January to June, and the next month I have to present the attendance from February to July, and so on and so forth. So every month I need to change the headings. So next month it will be March to August, and then April to July, April to September, and so on. So instead of changing this every month, I would like to go for a formula to change it. Do we have one wherein my months can increment? Last in my last video, I showed you how dates can be incremented, but do I have one where months can be incremented? So if I add +1, it would again give me the same month, January only, because it is incrementing dates. How to increment months? So I have a formula here, e date, wherein I will select the start date and increment months. 1, so it will increment till February. The next month, when I change this to 2/1/2024, all the months change. So here is the video where we can increment months. Hope you liked my video. If you did, click on the like button, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. And yes, share it with someone who you think can benefit from. Right, thank you for this time, and in my next video of this series, we will be covering incrementing of years. How would we do that? That I will show you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.